end, we as people, we have got to move from just learning more and more and more about our own prison and how it works. That's important to know, it really is. We've got to get to the point now where we say, what the heck are we going to do about it? And we have to stop being divided and ruled by the fault lines of religion and class and income bracket and culture and country, and realize that where we're going here, and the cell door is swinging, and we've just got a bit of time here to stop it crashing shut, but not if we just talk about it and shout about it. We've got to start getting organized and respond to this. And what we need is to stop cooperating with our own enslavement. We need mass peaceful non-cooperation with the system. We're building our own prisons.